out, every light fades to black. Now my life is to serve that dark voice that calls no one cares.